Cool trains in Montreal, and I got a CN Freight. This time heading westbound here at Dorval. Here it goes underneath, well, not underneath, but lower than the CP tracks. But now they've cleared some of the brush, so you can actually see that. Well, they're blowing, so somebody's there on the platform, either causing a nuisance or they're just rail fans. Hopefully they're just rail fans. And hopefully they're not rail fans causing a nuisance. So I'm on this side, I'm waiting for a CP train, double stack, possibly 118. We shall see. Same train that I caught earlier at Point Claire at the St. John's Overpass. So that's waiting in the hole at a signal. Doesn't have a clear yet. And I biked over here to Marshall Avenue, and here this CN train came. So I think it's about 3:20 p.m. on, here we are, the 24th of July 2023. Ah, cool. So I got a 2-for-1 here with a vacuum. And that's the end of the train right there. No, it isn't. There's more. I thought that was the end. Nope, there's a little more to come. It's all these tanker cars. And it's a little bit overcast today. They're threatening showers later in the day, but I want to get a little bit of biking in this summer, so I decided to go today. I don't think I'm regretting it so far. Some brand new CN hoppers, Ontario Northland car. Still some CN hoppers with no graffiti. And none needed. They look good the way they are. Now these ones, on the other hand, you can draw on them all you want. All they have is a reporting mark, so they're boring. So in the back there are the Dorval ramps. These are the ramps to the airport. And to the left there is the Marshall Avenue spur that goes into the Dorval plant. They usually put a few tank cars in there once a month, I think. I did catch the G95 switching this plant once. And here's the end of the train on the CN side, heading through Dorval. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.